Manny Pacquiao proves he's still a draw, in the ring and at the box office. Filipino icon earns over $17 million in dramatic return despite draw against Barrios. Las Vegas. He didn't win, but he didn't have to. 4 years after leaving the ring, and at 46, Manny Pacquiao proved that legends don't need titles to draw roars or dollars. His comeback bout against Mario Barrios ended in a draw, but the Filipino icon walked away with over $17 million and a nation once again on its feet. The fight, staged at the iconic MGM Grand Garden Arena, marked Pacquiao's first since 2021 and came after a failed presidential bid and a denied Olympic dream. Some viewed it as a farewell tour, others as a gamble against time. But the numbers spoke for themselves. A guaranteed $12 million purse, an estimated $4.5 million from pay-per-view shares, and around $1 million in bonuses and sponsorships, totaling nearly 1 billion pesos. Pouring support for the Filipino. Back home, despite heavy rains from Tropical Storm Wifa forcing outdoor screenings indoors, Pacquiao's supporters showed up in force. About 2,000 fans packed a college gym in Manila, watching on a giant screen placed beneath a basketball scoreboard. They cheered each flurry from the southpaw, groaned at every counter, and even endured a feed drop late in the penultimate round, which was restored just in time for the final stretch. "I was slightly disappointed because Pacquiao seemed to be leading during the first rounds," said 19-year-old boxer Juno Magday. "But his persistence, courage, and heart, even at this age, that's what I'll remember." It wasn't the all-stops-out euphoria of his prime, but it was enough to remind the Philippines of what Pacquiao means to them. For over 2 decades, his fights had the power to halt traffic, silence rebel zones, and unite a nation. This one, even in a draw, came close. "If Pacquiao wins, it's like all of us win too," said 66-year-old Alfonso Arvuso, who queued up with his grandchildren hours before the broadcast began. Another fan, Normian Balon, walked half a kilometer using a cane to be among fellow supporters. "It's okay, even if it's a draw," he said. "At least he didn't lose. My coming here was still worth it." The fight itself was no exhibition. Barrios, 30, entered as WBC welterweight champion and enjoyed a significant height advantage. Pacquiao, though slower than his peak years, showed flashes of brilliance, quick footwork, fast hands, and his trademark volume punching. Going punch for punch. The build-up was respectful, even light-hearted at times, with the fighters sharing a laugh during the pre-fight face-off. But once inside the ring, the tone changed. Barrios absorbed the pressure and matched Pacquiao punch for punch, earning the draw on 2 judges' scorecards, while the third gave it to the younger fighter. The bout may have ended in a majority draw, but Pacquiao made his intentions clear. Pac-Man is back, and the story isn't over. At 46, retirement is not on his mind. If anything, the comeback has only whetted his appetite for more. As fans exited the Manila venue, one elderly man took the mic and began singing Pacquiao's 2006 anthem. "This fight is for you." And perhaps, even in a draw, it truly was.